Hi, I'm Mark Smith, Master Certified Technician with Lazydays RV. So as part of our voltage series, today we're going to talk about generators. Generators can be a huge part of your RV, travel trailer, motorhome, all sizes and shapes. There's lots of different sizes and shapes of generators, but they all do basically the same thing for you. They create power. So generators need 12 volt power, again back to the batteries, to crank. So once we've got this generator started, this generator creates 110 volt power, produces power for the inside of your coach, and more importantly, puts power back into your charging system to put those batteries back up to where they belong. Now, all generators are basically used the same way. They all have start and stop switches on the generator itself. In most applications, there's start and stop switches on the inside. All generators also have a breaker, a main breaker on the generator itself. So anytime you're using that generator, you want to make sure if you're not getting power inside, you're going to come out and look at that breaker, make sure that's on. After that, there's other systems down the line that you're going to want to look at. So as far as generator goes, the maintenance on it, in your manuals there are specific maintenance for each generator. Importantly though is to use this generator. You don't want to let it sit around for months and months at a time. You want to make sure that you go out, just like the engine that we talked about earlier in another series. You want to crank the generator up, let it run, get some hours, get some use on that, so that when you come back and you want to use your generator, you want to use your coach, it's ready for you. So remember, if you have any questions, have any problems, give us a call, come down and see us here at Lazydays RV.